I'll just take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Smaller things. See? This is my police badge.
Very nice. How did you do it?
I think one time he went to the class and he made it.
Oh.
The teacher got these things and they got to color it.
Okay.
I think you'll also make one for him. Let's see if instead the this way.
हेलो, अनम्यूट कर दीजिए.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. Nikhil, I think you had one interview earlier, one or two?
Yes, I have two interviews yesterday. I've taken one and today.
Acha, good.
So, but today you said the timing was 10:40.
No, but हमारा समय नहीं है that I have to complete it, because it goes on for a longer time, so it doesn't matter. Now, what are the areas I have asked questions earlier for you?
So you ask basic banking questions and introduction and quality traits of an officer.
Acha, ठीक है. What is your degree?
Sir, I have done Bachelor in Commerce.
Bachelor in Commerce. Arey Baba. Then I have asked questions regarding commerce or not?
You have asked, sir, basic questions like what is balance sheet and all.
Acha, ठीक है. Now the interview has started today. Could you come across the questions they have asked in the interviews?
Yes, sir. I have read 2-3 feedbacks of the candidates.
Acha, they have posted in our website, Telegram page. कुछ post किया कोई? पता
Yes,
नहीं.
sir. In other channels, I have read some.
Acha. Can you tell me the type of questions they are asking?
Sir, basically they are asking basic questions like your hobbies, members in your family,
Mm,
educational background, some
Mm.
situational questions,
mm.
leadership qualities in an officer like this only. So it was, they are saying that it was okay, not that typical, and they are good.
Similar
Panelist
to
member.
similar to what we have been discussing.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nothing tough, na?
No,
It
sir,
was,
they are saying they are lenient in asking. They are,
they are lenient only.
yes, sir, matlab not that typical.
Mhm. Okay, good. Um, 1 minute. What is this boy's name? Yeah. So they are, but one boy has sent to me, but they have asked about chief secretary of the state and all that. Hmm?
Oh,
Chief secretary of the state. Which state are you coming from?
sir, I am from Madhya Pradesh.
So Madhya Pradesh का chief minister का नाम क्या है?
Sir, Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
What is the name of the governor?
Sir, the governor name is Shri Mangubhai Chhaganbhai Patel.
Okay. What is the name of the chief secretary of Madhya Pradesh?
Sir, that I don't know.
These some way they are asking such questions also, and yeah, I have put it here. Mm, then they are asking, what are your hobbies? What is your hobby?
Sir, my hobbies are playing badminton, solving Sudoku and Rubik's Cube.
Solving Sudoku and
Rubik's Cube, sir.
Rubik's Cube. अच्छा 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 Rubik's Cube एक बार करने से फिर भी प्रॉब्लम होगा ना क्या? एक ही मेथड होगा और it will be different.
हाँ सर, वो एक ही मेथड है, बट फ्री टाइम में कर लेता हूँ, तो एज एन इंटरेस्ट आई कैन टेल.
अच्छा अच्छा Sudoku. So
Yes.
what advantage you get by doing Sudoku? What is the advantage for human mind?
Yes, sir. Good brainstorming we can do by solving Sudoku daily. It comes in newspaper also.
Mhm. Good. That is right. What is your father?
So my father is an cable operator.
That's how you told me. You are from
Yes, sir.
Madhya Pradesh. That also you told me. That's right.
Bhopal district.
Yeah, yeah. Now the questions. Now tell me, what are the questions you have come across from them? Only any concept-based questions they asked and all?
No, sir, I have not read that much. I have read only one or two feedbacks of the candidates.
Mhm. Which Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel?
Yes, sir. Through Telegram channels only, sir.
Mhm.
I have read.
Very good.
Actually,
Here.
I've joined multiple channels, so I said don't know which channel that specific it was.
Acha, this boy was asked more questions relating to hobbies, cooking related questions. 7 to
Yes,
8
sir.
questions relating to hobbies. And why
Yes,
do
sir.
you want to join bank? Because he has done engineering. Then
Yes, sir.
they ask questions relating to NPCI. What is NPCI? Tell me.
So National Payment Corporation of India.
Okay. Then what are the various schemes run by NPCI?
Sir, it is an umbrella organization under which all the digital products which are running in the market, it is conducted. It is basically done by through NPCI only, managed by NPCI, like UPI products, BHIM UPI,
Mm,
AEPS, and Aadhaar enabled payment system,
mm.
and all digital products.
Acha. Who is the important person in this first person in NPCI?
So the chairman name is Mr. Dilip Asbe.
Very good. Then can you name the schemes one by one correctly?
The schemes of NPCI.
Yeah.
So the UPI
Unified
platform,
Unified
payment
Payment
interface.
Unified Payment Interface, IMPS,
Yes, sir.
NACH, then
Yes, sir.
AEPS, then NFS. What is NFS?
So National Financial Switch.
Okay.
It basically connects all the ATMs working in the country.
Excellent. RuPay, then Bharat Bill Pay. These are the main things. Now,
Bharat Bill Payment
yeah,
System.
you must know how these schemes work, because I don't know how it is working. You must know how it is working, and you must be able to tell about that. Could you follow? Yeah,
Yes.
that's right. And another important thing they are concentrating in interview is about, say, current affairs. Say right
Yes.
from 16th of February, January to end, you must go through the current affairs, or at least snippets that I have posted in yesbank.in, or wherever you get, you can go through that.
Yes.
You must know that, then only you can answer the questions nicely. Like they have asked, what is the name of the Paytm founder? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Mr. Vijay Shekhar Sharma.
Good. What is the name of the chief economic advisor?
V. Anant Nageshwar. Mr. V. Anant Nageshwar.
Very good. Now, right. Other questions and all, you know, RBI governor and all, you can easily know. Now tell me
Yes.
5 banking news in the recent past. Tell me.
5 basic banking news.
Shall we try Ankit Singh Baduria? Ankit Singh
Yes, sir.
Baduria.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Can you tell 5 banking news?
Sir, recently RBI cancelled the license of Independence Cooperative Bank, which is working, which is Maharashtra-based cooperative bank, and recently SBI posted its Q3 annual Q3 report, wherein it
आप हिंदी में
shows
बोलिए.
the
आप हिंदी में बोलिए. I think you are struggling in English. Tell me in Hindi.
ओके सर, तो एसबीआई ने अपनी Q3 का अपनी रिपोर्ट अभी इशू किया है, जिसमें उसने अपना प्रॉफिट जो बताया है 8432 करोड़, जो कि अब तक का एसबीआई का हाईएस्ट प्रॉफिट है। और आईडीबीआई ने भी अपना Q3 का
Highest quarterly profit.
यस सर, हाईएस्ट क्वार्टरली प्रॉफिट है अभी तक का एसबीआई का, जो कि 62% लास्ट ईयर से सेम पीरियड के लिए ज्यादा है।
बढ़ गया.
और
कंटिन्यू.
और एचडीएफसी बैंक ने भी अपना Q3 का अपना रिपोर्ट इशू किया है, जिसमें उन्होंने भी 3100 समथिंग अराउंड उन्होंने अपना Q3 प्रॉफिट उन्होंने भी अपना शो किया है। और सर
SBI tie up with Tata Power for financing solar projects. Like
yes,
that,
yes.
yeah, like that. Many
Yes.
news. Come on, you have to. The problem is we all study, but we are not. Definitely, this question is a must. 5 banking news, 5 economy news. Some news, when they ask, you must speak out something and tell. समझ गया? और याद है कुछ? क्या हो गया? माइंड ब्लैंक हो जाता है ना क्या?
नो सर, एक्चुअली अभी ये बात थोड़ा सा इस तरह की चीजों को एक बार रिवाइज करना है, क्योंकि रीजन करना है।
This the interview में this is the main question they ask. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will note down it.
Yeah, this is the thing, and because other things you are all able to answer. Then recently they have told banks to transfer 15 NPA accounts worth rupees 50,000 crores to NARCL in financial year 22. Correct? Crypto transactions done before April 2022 won't be tax-free, says CBDT chairman.
Yes, 30%.
What is the name of what is the name of CBDT chairman? Central Board of Direct Taxes.
Sir.
Chairman's name is JP Mohapatra.
JP Mohapatra. Yes.
JP Mohapatra. And what is the name of Revenue Secretary in India? Tarun.
Sir,
Bajaj.
Tarun Bajaj.
Tarun Bajaj. I like that. You must
Tarun
be able to tell. Okay. Then
yes,
ICSCAI and ICAI are telling budget aims at inclusive development. What is inclusive development? बताइए.
सर
Ankit.
इंक्लूसिव डेवलपमेंट से मतलब ये होता है कि सोसाइटी के सभी सेक्शंस को हम डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम में शामिल करना,
Good.
कोई भी सेक्शन छूट न जाए, चाहे
That is
Sorry, sir?
that is correct. People of all sections of society, all standards should be, this
Yeah.
should be included. Good. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
You told nicely. We will go to Kapil Sharma. Kapil Sharma, can you tell some 5 important news reports you have read apart from what we have discussed? And if you want to repeat that, no problem. Kapil Sharma. Kapil Sharma.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. बताइए 5 important bank news or economy news.
Okay, sir. The very first news I would like to tell is government allotted 7.5 lakh crores for capital expenditure, and which is a very important news for economic terms.
Good.
Second news is that government will be launching its own cryptocurrency in, and it will be launched till the end of this year. Third important news is Vedanta is helping Syndicate Bank and Union Bank merger. And fourth banking news is that State Bank of India has filed in NCLT against Coastal Coastal Energies. And the fifth one is that postal office are about to connected with the banking system.
Good, good, good. Core banking system. Good.
Yes, sir.
Then come on, come on, come on. Good. Nice. और
Sir,
बताइए.
five तो हो गए.
इतना 5 तो हो गया. Good. No problem. Kapil
Sir, the
Sharma.
government will soon rule out the IPO of LIC.
हाँ, ये बताने से कितना बढ़िया होगा. Good. Correct. That is correct.
Sir,
You see, you go to my sbank.in. I have posted current affairs snippets from January to up to date yesterday also. उसमें से आपको जरूर information मिल जाएगा. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Very good. Now, Nikhil, can you continue? I will come to you. Nikhil.
Yes, sir, about five news.
Yeah, 5 news. Continue. Something you have,
Yes.
something else you have.
Sir, currently I'm unable to recall. I have not to go through the current affairs.
Okay.
Sir,
no
I
problem.
have one or two news more.
Yeah.
Sir, in today's monetary policy, Reserve Bank of India has kept the previous rate for the 10th consecutive times, which means that they are focusing on liquidity in market.
Correct.
And one more news is that they projected 7.8% GDP growth for this year. And one more news is that they commented. I just forgot that news.
LIC tie up with Policy Bazaar for digital distribution of life insurance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then Asian Development Bank lends a record of $4.6 billion loans to India in 2021.
Okay. And sir,
Yeah.
recently the rupee price against dollar has fallen to some points to 7.485.
That's okay. Some price depreciation is there. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It
Then,
was due to United States monetary policy.
then government issues high severity warnings to Google Chrome users, ask them to update it.
Yes,
Then,
sir. Yes, sir.
Then
Yes.
around 6.17 crore IT returns, 19 lakh audit reports filed in the new portal introduced by Infosys, initiated by Infosys, says CBDT chairman. Okay.
Okay.
Then Airtel partners with Google, aims to help grow India's digital ecosystem.
Okay.
Airtel partners with Google, aims to help grow India's digital ecosystem. Then Government of India has done a switch operation of 1,19,701 crore. What is switch operation? The Government of India has done a conversion switch transaction of its securities with the RBI for an amount of 1,19,701 crores. The transaction involved buying bank securities that are being matured in a financial year 2022-23, 23-24, 24-25 from the RBI, and also issuing fresh securities for equivalent market value to make the transaction cash neutral. The transactions were carried out using Financial Benchmarks India Private Limited prices as of January 28, 2022. Government of India undertakes switch operations with the RBI and also with market participants to smoothen the liability profile as well as market development. ये कुछ नहीं है. They want to take loans they have issued at a higher interest rate and then give at a lower rate only. They want to save the money. समझ गया?
Okay.
Interest rate बचाने के लिए करते हैं. India's GDP projected at 147.5 lakh crore in financial year 22. Straight Ministry of State Finance, Mr. Pankaj Chaudhary. अच्छा, ये सब आप लोग पढ़ना है. There is no escape from this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now let me ask a few banking questions for having had this interview. But next time, Nikhil, when is your interview?
Sir, mine is on 13th Feb.
Acha. Then what about Ankit?
Yes, sir, my interview is scheduled on 12th February.
What about the other boy, Kapil?
Sir, 12 तारीख को है.
अच्छा अच्छा, सब कुछ हो जाएगा जल्दी जल्दी. No problem. What do you understand? NPA के बारे में आप लोग पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you tell me what have you in your mind about NPA. Nikhil first, next Ankit, next Kapil. Come on. NPA के बारे में आपको मन में क्या क्या है इसका बारे में बोल दो. Hello, what happened? Nikhil? कट हो गया?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. वो call is came.
अच्छा, बट बोलिए.
So NPS stands for non-performing asset. It is the loan or advances given to the borrower for which principal and interest is remain overdue for around 90 days.
Correct. Good. Do you know anything more about that? You don't know?
Yes, sir. The first of all, when time to time interest is paid, it is a standard asset. But when the interest is not paid or principal is not paid, then it further goes into 3 stages. First is substandard account.
Then I think substandard. Then
Yes, a substandard, doubtful asset, and then it is a loss asset.
very good. Good. Up to this sufficient for you. We'll go to Ankit. Ankit, आपको मन में क्या क्या है regarding NPA? बताइए.
सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो एनपीए सर जो होता है वो नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट होता है. तो जब कोई भी एसेट है उसका अगर इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट अगर 90 डेज तक ना किए जाए तो वो एसेट नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट हो जाता है. अगर सेम एनपीए अगर फॉर्मर लोन्स के लिए कहा जाए तो अगर टू शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए टू शॉर्ट क्रॉप के लिए अगर पेमेंट ना किया जाए तो उसे वो फॉर्मर टू क्रॉप सीजन के लिए अगर ना पेमेंट किया जाए तो वो एक एनपीए हो जाता है फॉर्मर में. और अगर वन क्रॉप सीजन के लिए ना पेमेंट किया जाए तो वो भी एक एनपीए हो जाता है लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन के लिए. और फिर एनपीए में जो होता है एसेट वो 4 क्लासिफिकेशन किया गया है. सबसे पहले होता है कि स्टैंडर्ड एसेट, फिर सब स्टैंडर्ड एसेट, फिर डाउटफुल एसेट, फिर लॉस एसेट. तो स्टैंडर्ड एसेट को भी 3 क्लासिफिकेशन किए गए हैं. वो स्पेशल मेंशन अकाउंट जिसमें कि वो स्पेशल मेंशन अकाउंट 0 होता है, जो कि 30 डेज के लिए होता है, कि अगर कोई इंस्टॉलमेंट नहीं आई तो उसको ऐसे स्पेशल मेंशन अकाउंट में रख देते हैं। फिर स्पेशल मेंशन अकाउंट 1 होता है, जो कि 30-60 डेज के लिए होता है। फिर स्पेशल मेंशन अकाउंट होता है जो 60 से 90 डेज के लिए होता है। उसके बाद शुरू होता है सब स्टैंडर्ड अकाउंट की।
Very good, very good. I think you seem to be knowing more about this. Please wait. We'll go to our next person. Kapil, कुछ बताइए।
ओके सर एनपीए उस स्ट्रेस एसेट को कहते हैं जिसके ऊपर बैंक को डाउट क्रिएट हो जाता है कि इसकी आगे पेमेंट आएगी या नहीं, और इसको पहले सब स्टैंडर्ड कैटेगरी में रखा जाता है 1 साल के लिए एनपीए होने के बाद। फिर वो डाउटफुल 1, डाउटफुल 2 और डाउटफुल 3 कैटेगरी है। उसके बाद लॉस एसेट बैंक को डिक्लेयर करना पड़ता है, लेकिन बैंक चाहे तो उससे पहले भी इसको लॉस एसेट डिक्लेयर कर सकता है। एंड अगर बैंक इसको एक लॉस एसेट डिक्लेयर करता है तो उनको इसमें से प्रोविजनिंग करनी पड़ती है, और उसमें काफी कॉस्ट आती है क्योंकि वो प्रोविजनिंग बैंक के प्रॉफिट से कट होती है। इसके बजाय बैंक क्या कर सकता है, इनको बैड बैंक को सेल कर सकता है, जिससे कि उसको कॉस्ट भी बच जाएगी और बैड बैंक जो है उसकी लोन की रिकवरी बैंक से अच्छे तरीके से कर पाएगा।
Good. Now it's okay, but now I will ask question to Nikhil. Nikhil, why banks are not happy in having more NPAs?
Not happy in having more NPA.
Why? Are you a
Sir,
commerce?
I'm unable to understand the question.
You are a commerce student.
Yes, sir.
You must answer my question nicely. I will ask Ankit. Why banks are not happy with NPA?
So first of all, it gives a negative reputation for the bank for the lending and its credit rating. अगर उनके पास एनपीओ होगा तो उनका मार्केट में उनकी नेगेटिव रेपुटेशन भी होती है, और बैंक का वो मतलब सर नेगेटिव रेपुटेशन की वजह से सर पब्लिक उस पे जो है डिपॉजिट वो रखती है अपना, तो शायद डिपॉजिट निकालना भी शुरू कर दे और फर्दर लोग डिपॉजिट करना भी बंद कर दें उस बैंक में।
Okay, next Kapil. Kapil.
Yes, sir. As my friend Ankit Singh told that it will affect bank's image, I would like to add something more to that point. And the thing is that a bank cannot collect its own NPA because think about that. If SBI person goes every day to a person's home, then its image in market will fall. People will talk that how are these people coming every day? We should not take loan from them, and this way.
No.
But
No, you are not on the right track. Now let me tell you, all the three of you have not been able to give the answer.
Sir, can I add one more point?
Yeah.
Sir, I think the main factor is कि जब भी कोई हमारा जो लोन एनपीए टर्न होता है तो उसका सबसे बड़ा नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट ये रहता है कि उसकी हमें प्रोविजनिंग करनी पड़ती है अपने प्रॉफिट से अलग कुछ रिजर्व इकट्ठा करके, तो फर्दर हम आगे किसी को लैंड नहीं कर सकते वो पैसा, तो वो पैसा हमारा ब्लॉक हो जाता है। तो इसलिए हमें कॉशियस रहना पड़ता है बैंकों की एनपीए टर्न ना हो लोन।
Okay, nice. I will tell you, please listen. When an account is classified as NPA, a bank cannot take interest to its income account. So the future quarters and all, the bank's income is getting reduced. And if the income is getting reduced, profit comes down. Not only that, when any account becomes NPA, first stage, second stage and all that, more provisioning has to be done, and provisioning का मतलब debit expenditure. So bank का खर्चा बढ़ जाते हैं, बैंक का खर्चा जब बढ़ जाते हैं बैंक का लॉस बढ़ जाते हैं, बैंक का लॉस कब बढ़ जाते हैं, बैंक का इमेज खराब हो जाती है. That is the point Ankit was telling. So the reason why banks are not happy in having NPA is the moment an account is classified as NPA, it loses any revenue from that. On the other hand, it has to make further provisions. समझ गए आप लोग का?
Yes, sir.
Could you understand this in the proper perspective? As a
Yes, sir.
commerce person,
sir,
you must be
yes.
able to do. Yeah, that is good. Very good. That's okay. Sufficient. That much for NPA. Now let me come to another question. I will ask this first to Kapil Sharma. Kapil Sharma,
sir.
e-commerce का बारे में हमको कुछ बता दो.
ई-कॉमर्स सर बेसिकली वो बिजनेस होता है जिसको हम ऑनलाइन करते हैं। ये होता वही बिजनेस है जो कि ऑफलाइन होता है, बट इसके अंदर हम अपने घर पर बैठ के किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं और इसके अंदर एक डिलीवरी चेन इन्वॉल्व होती है जो कि प्रोडक्ट को हमारे घर तक डिलीवर करती है।
Okay, next we'll go to Ankit. Tell me
Yes,
something
sir.
about e-commerce. Whatever comes to your mind. ई-कॉमर्स का बारे में कुछ
सर ऑलमोस्ट सेम है कपिल की तरह के मेरा भी कि सर ई कॉमर्स जो है वो इंटरनेट प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज करके रिटेल सेक्टर को इंटरनेट पे अवेलेबल करा के और कोई भी मतलब इंसान अपने घर से ऑर्डर कर सकता है और इसकी प्रॉपर पूरी लॉजिस्टिक सप्लाई होती है जो और देयर आर सो मेनी ई कॉमर्स कंपनी अवेलेबल in the world and in India too, like Grofers, like Flipkart, like Amazon, like Myntra, like Snapdeal. All these are the e-commerce company which provides goods and services to the people of India through online accepting the order.
Yeah, इसमें क्या? That's very good. Now Nikhil.
यस सर, डिजिटलाइजेशन के जमाने में हम कहीं भी फिजिकल जाने से अच्छा है हम घर बैठे बैठे ऑनलाइन कुछ भी मंगा सकते हैं ई कॉमर्स का यूज करके। सर्विसेज ले सकते हैं, ऑनलाइन पेमेंट कर सकते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ कैश का यूटिलाइजेशन कम हो जाएगा। डिजिटली हम कैश का फ्लो बढ़ा सकते हैं ई कॉमर्स के थ्रू।
Now
एंड सर सर्विसेज
yeah, now I'll come to Kapil. Kapil, tell me why e-commerce, what are the negative points of e-commerce?
Sir, the biggest negative point is that it is affecting the retail shopkeepers and the local shopkeepers because they cannot compete on the level of price. As the most big e-commerce companies, they have their own warehouses and they buys the full lot direct from the factories. But in terms of retail, they have to involve some middlemen, the transport cost, and they cannot compete at the level of price. Plus, the second point is that the variety. On e-commerce platform, we have a huge variety of products because we don't have to showcase them or have to have for space. We just have to upload the image, and if an order comes, we just pack that. This way, local जो retailers है, they are facing
very good.
problems.
Sufficient. Next, Ankit, कुछ बोलो.
सर ऑलमोस्ट सर कपिल ने जो कहा है वो लगभग वही मैं भी जानता हूँ सर इस बारे में, तो इससे ज्यादा मैं भी नहीं हूँ.
अच्छा, Nikhil, can you come out with some more ideas? What are the plus and minus of e-commerce? If you want to know about this, आप लोग इसको you can search it from our what is that group discussion ideas.com. आपने सुना होगा group discussion ideas.com में जाने से तो e-commerce का बारे में latest post and search e-commerce, just put like that, then you can get some more ideas regarding this. But of course, yeah, the main problem is it is affecting the small sellers, small shopkeepers. It is affecting that. That is the main problem. And also the another negative point is that say, where is that? Another negative point is that there are a lot of frauds being happening in this line. That is another point. समझ गया? Lot of frauds are also happening in this line. The advantage of e-commerce is that घर में बैठ के हम लोग खरीद सकते हैं, especially कोविड का समय पर दुकान में जाके हमको कोविड को भी लेकर नहीं आना है. ये सब फायदा भी है और नेगेटिव पॉइंट भी है. जब भी आपको ये नहीं क्वेश्चन देगा, आपने 7W का साथ में एनालाइज करना, what, when, why, where, how, which, who का साथ में एनालाइज करने से आपको बढ़िया हो जाएगा. ओके Now we are going to start from our Ankit. Ankit, you are going to start
Yes,
next,
sir.
next Nikhil and last Kapil. Please tell good points about State Bank of India.
Sir, State Bank of India is a MNC, and it is the largest bank of India in terms of market share. It has 1/4 of market share of India's banking sector. It has 22,400 branches in India. It has 61,072 8 no, 68,000 ATMs. It has 71,000 banking correspondent, and its presence is
Okay,
is in
next,
31
next.
countries
Nikhil,
with
you,
231 branches.
Nikhil, you tell me whatever comes to your mind. Good points. Don't
Yes,
repeat.
so
Yeah.
State Bank of India is the largest public sector bank of our nation. उनकी उसकी 45 करोड़ कस्टमर डेटाबेस है एसबीआई का। 22,000 से ज्यादा ब्रांचेस है, 62,000 से ज्यादा एटीएम्स है और एडीडब्ल्यू ऐसे ऑटोमेटेड डिपॉजिट एंड विड्रॉवल मशीन्स एंड 23% ऑफ टोटल डिपॉजिट्स है मार्केट शेयर में। एंड सर योनो उसका डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट है एसबीआई का। एंड सर 2.5 लाख से ज्यादा एम्प्लॉयज हैं एसबीआई के।
Yeah, very good. Now, Mr. Kapil Sharma.
Okay, sir. My point of view for State Bank of India is that, in my opinion, it has the base for the further growth, and I think in upcoming future, it will be the only bank which is capable of competing at the global level, and it is going to play an important role in our economy because we are a developing country. And as an employee's perspective, the best part of State Bank of India is that its perks and the promotion speed. If we put in the effort in the job, we will get the reward we deserve.
Good. Anyhow, this is only subjective. Whatever way you want, you can speak about it. That's good. Now, Kapil, you are from which state?
Sirsa, Haryana.
Haryana. Then see, Rajasthan में उधर they are asking name of chief secretary, name of governor, ये सब पूछ रहे हैं. Ankit Singh, you are from which place?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, so same thing. They can also ask you about your elections, वगैरह वगैरह. अच्छा, could you hear some of the questions they have asked in Lucknow yesterday? I have not seen anything. Yeah, because I had no time to go through that. कुछ questions आपको याद आए, सुना है आपने? Ankit?
No, sir, I haven't
explored
about this. So yes, I haven't explored about this. So I have no idea. I will explore after the interview. What other questions are being asked?
Yeah. What about Nikhil? Nikhil, you are from which place?
Sir, I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh.
Bhopal. Again, I think we have discussed. Then I also asked you about chief secretary and all. So, and then any, especially government schemes, but I don't know why nobody. I have not heard people telling me about sovereign gold bond scheme, positive pay system, then digitalization. This सब देखना है because they are.
Yes, sir. I know all of this.
Yeah.
Like one district, one product of Uttar Pradesh government scheme. Positive pay system is introduced by the RBI to the bank, so that if a customer is paying 50,000 above, paying through the check, so it must be verified before final signing the check. So and after the 5 lakh, it is mandatory to verify the details and signing amount of the customer. So this is the features of positive pay system.
Good. Nikhil, can you tell me something about cyber attacks?
Yes, so जैसे जैसे डिजिटलाइजेशन बढ़ रहा है, साइबर अटैक्स भी बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. जैसे कि सर कार्ड्स की डिटेल चोरी होना, डेबिट कार्ड्स की डिटेल चोरी होना ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे, उसके लिए सर रिसेंटली आरबीआई ने टोकनाइजेशन सिस्टम लाया है जो कि पेमेंट गेटवेज को इम्प्लीमेंट करना है
लेकिन अभी
ताकि
पोस्टपोन हो गया. Now it has been
Yes,
postponed. Yeah, good.
ताकि कस्टमर्स को डायरेक्टली अपना डाटा ना डालना पड़े पेमेंट गेटवेज पे,
Hmm.
बीच में एक मीडिएटर के फॉर्म में एक टोकन आ जाए
हाँ.
ताकि कॉम्प्रोमाइज ना हो डाटा कस्टमर्स का.
Good. I will ask Kapil. Kapil, what is phishing?
Sir, phishing is the attack in which the hacker creates a duplicate but original looking page of any website. It can be a payment gateway page or it can be a Facebook or any page, and the victim puts his information in that page thinking that it is original, but the information directly goes to the hacker.
Anyhow, thank you so much. Best wishes. Prepare very well. Appear for the interview. And kindly send me the questions through WhatsApp or whatever it is. And there is no limit. Jada padh ke ja sakte hain. And most importantly, all of us are not so strong in current affairs and also relating to banking, relating to State Bank and all that. Thoda uska jare mein prepare kar dijiye and speak briefly and to the point. I'm sure you will succeed. Best wishes, Nikhil,
Okay.
Ankit,
Thank you, sir.
Kapil Sharma. Thank you.
Yes, I will cover today current
Yeah,
February
everything.
and
अच्छा से पढ़ लीजिए. Current affair,
Yes,
it is not sufficient.
yes.
अच्छा पढ़. Thank you. Best
सर
wish-
मुझे एक दो क्वेश्चंस याद आ रहे हैं
Yeah.
जो कि एक कैंडिडेट जो हमारे भोपाल से उन्होंने
बोलो
दिया था आज
जल्दी
interview.
बोलो जल्दी बोलो जल्दी बोलो.
सर वो नेम का मीनिंग पूछा था उन्होंने या फैमिली बैकग्राउंड के बारे में कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे. मतलब ये सब बैंकिंग से रिलेटेड कम था, ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी के बारे में ज्यादा पूछ रहे थे इंटरव्यूअर्स.
Very good. तब तो बढ़िया है. Then you can handle it very confidently. ठीक है?
यस सर.
Best wishes. And by chance you are coming across new questions.